Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to rename a sheet in Microsoft Excel. So guys, we can see we have this worksheet, loan calculator. This is the name for this sheet. If we want to rename, so right click on it in this bottom bar, right click on it, and here you will see some options like insert, delete or rename. Also guys, you can make copy or you can move. So to rename, click on it. Now give any name. Testing and click anyway. That's it. So this is the way you can create, you can rename a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.